was a lean.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lime Green. Today I'm going to be cleaning up my makeup room and I decided to film it. Why not? It's not going to be a deep clean, but I'm just tightening it up. I have a lot of stuff, so yeah, I need to buy more containers and whatnot, but right now I'm just tightening it up. So yeah, keep on watching. So in the next clip, which is going to be fast forward, I'm just showing you guys the little mess that I got. So in this clip, I'm just cleaning up. Next is the final results of me tidying up my room, well, my makeup room. Excuse those mannequins, my son had jacked them all up. And y'all, I really need to get more organizing boxes and all that, or a bigger room. So in the next clip, you're going to be underneath my desk. I'm just going to be showing you guys my lashes. So that is all that I have for you guys. It's a half clean, but you know, it is what it is. I forgot to tell you, I just want to show y'all these pictures. This is before my room got overcrowded with my stuff that I bought. So thanks for watching, y'all. See y'all later.